friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very amazing and healthy course, and it's a course of millet cakes. So in this course I have not used any maida or refined sugar. So all cakes are gluten free and with millet flours. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is banana walnut millet cake. So in today's class I will teach you recipe according to kg wise, so that if you want to sell them on commercial level, even you can do that. This is masala chai millet cake, and just check the texture of every cake. This is millet apple cake. So in today's class I will show you variety of cake using different millet flour, but even I will tell you how to replace that millet flour with any other millet flour. Okay, this is millet chocolate chunk cake. And in addition to this course, we have many more courses in millet, like we have millet cookies, millet muffin, millet bread, millet breakfast, and even millet ice cream. And many more millet courses are coming. Just check the texture. This is Gulkand millet cake. Even these cakes are as tasty as the other cake also. So this is orange millet cake. We have many more courses in tea time cake also. Just check our menu card. We have near about 10 to 12 courses in tea time cakes. This is Mawa millet cake. We have lakhs of students from India and all over world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link. Okay, and even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all products in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. So when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So the first lucky winner is Atreyi Mukherjee and second is Kaumil Patel. So congratulations, both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with the new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.